Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken barbecue. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and let's get right into the video. Ingredients we are going to be using for our marinade are green scotch bonnet pepper, green chili pepper, our shrimp cube, some red onions, garlic, ginger, and green bell pepper. So we have here our chicken, which has been well washed and prepped nicely, and then we have here our mixed herbs, and then also salt to taste, and finally some oil. So to prep our marinade, we are going to be blending our green scotch bonnet pepper, our chili pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, our mixed herbs, salt, and then our stock cube. We are going to So while we leave our chicken to marinate, we are going to use the leftover marinade for a green pepper sauce that we are going to serve with our chicken. And it's very easy since there is already oil in the pepper that we blended. You just pour it in a saucepan and let it simmer on low heat on fire till you see oil coming on top of the sauce, and then the color changing from that whitish color to a deeper green, and voila, your green pepper sauce is ready. It's that easy. This should take you about 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat.
2 hours later.
So our chicken has been marinating for 2 hours now. So it's time to grill